security officer tell me that my friend's bike was allowed because he's riding a 350. That's his bike. So that's a 350 classic, and our bike is not allowed. That is what this security officer. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a small plan for a ride. The ride is towards Tungareshwar, and if time permits we'll go to Vajreshwari as well. I am riding with two of my friends. These are the bikes that are lined up, and we'll be having breakfast over here because अंदर ज़्यादा ऑप्शन है नहीं. अंदर पूरा एक ऑफ रोड रूट है जो हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. सो we'll have breakfast over here. जैसे मैंने बोला ऑप्शन नहीं है, and then after that we'll be heading inside towards Tungareshwar. This is the Tungareshwar road, and this is the best hotel that we could find on this road. This is the hotel again. Rudra Shiv Sagar is the name of the hotel. So we'll be having breakfast like I said, and we'll be heading inside. So then I'll see you when we go in. Yeah. Guys, this is an off-road terrain that I am riding on. First, I mean, this is awesome. I have never taken this road before, and this road goes towards Tungareshwar. Most of you all must have taken these roads. I haven't. So yeah, this is the first time I am taking it, and I think we have arrived. Nice. So can we go inside is the main question. अभी वो तो वहाँ पे जाके सिक्योरिटी से ही पूछना पड़ेगा. इट्स अ पुलिस चौकी. सीरियस? शासन 1 विभाग. So can we take this road? Is the question. इसको पूछते हैं. आई थिंक ये रास्ता जाता है कि नहीं वो अभी पूछना पड़ेगा. रास्ता तो यही है. सर हे रस्ता तुंगरेश्वर टेम्पल मध्ये जाता राईट? ते बाईक घेऊन जा. अच्छा अलाउड नाही आहे. हे कशाला कशाला? अच्छा केसेस झालेले आहेत. अच्छा ते मागे तो असा खडकी रस्ता ते पुढे जातात म्हणून बंद केलं का अशा बाईक? अच्छा ये तो साला अलाउड नहीं है. ये तो इनजस्टिस हो गया मेरे साथ. So guys, as you guys heard the security officer tell me that my friend's bike was allowed because he's riding a 350. That's his bike. So that's a 350 classic, and our bike is not allowed. That is what this security officer told us. और एक्सक्यूज ये आ रहा है कि वहाँ पे अंदर जाएंगे और अगर मुझ पे कोई केस हो गया या मैं अगर कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो गया समथिंग अगर कंप्लेन हुआ तो कौन आंसर करेगा. So guys, if you are traveling to Tungareshwar, taking this off-road terrain, specifically if you are on any ADVs like Himalayan, Tigers, BMW, I guess you guys will not be allowed to go further from that gate where I was stopped. So now the plan is we are heading towards the highway, and from the highway हम लोग सीधा वज्रेश्वरी तलक जाएंगे और फिर वहाँ से देखते हैं क्या आगे प्लान बनता है. So see you guys on the road. guys, we have reached the mandir, Shri Vajreshwari Yogini Devi Sansthan. Okay, so this is the temple. So I had come here long time back. मैं यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम पहले आया था with my first bike. और मुझे याद है कि मैंने बाइक पार्क करके मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसे ही I just went to this mandir and it was very good, very peaceful over here. So this is after a long time that I've come here. Feels really nice. अच्छा लगता है ऐसी जगहों पे आना. And this was a short ride, not very far from our place, and really feels good. So let's enter the temple and I'll show you guys. So guys, we have arrived at Vajreshwari temple. We have paid our respects. We have just come out from the temple. This is the outside of the temple. We have जहाँ तक मुझे allowed था मैंने वहीं तक शूटिंग की. उसके बाद I was told not to shoot, तो इसीलिए मैंने वीडियो नहीं उतारा. ये टेम्पल का आउटसाइड है. This will be the outside of the temple, and I am sitting on the outside part of the temple where there's a good scenery around. It looks very good. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. There's a very nice place to be in. And Saturday morning doing this ride was worth it. Friends wanted to come out, or they wanted to do a small ride. So around 50-60 kilometers from where we are, where Mumbai is very close. So going and coming back was perfect. Anyway, so this is the temple. I'll just show you the temple. So you guys saw the temple. The temple is very quaint and quiet. Not many people that have come. The last time I remember when I'd come here, it was very crowded. Now that due to the pandemic situation, the place has sobered down. काफ़ी कम लोग आना यहाँ पे ये करते हैं, मतलब मानते हैं. बट ये बहुत बड़ा देवी माता का टेम्पल है एंड इट फील्स वेरी नाइस टू कम हियर. वेरी पीसफुल, वेरी क्वाइट, लाइक आई सेड. और ऐसे रिलैक्स करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो दोज हू डोंट नो अबाउट वज्रेश्वरी गाइज, व्हेन यू आर इन मुंबई, डू विजिट दिस प्लेस. This is a very old temple, like I said, and one of the attractions that is very close to Mumbai, very accessible, very close to Mumbai. Anyway, चलो यहाँ से अभी निकलेंगे and थोड़े टाइम में we'll head back home. So yeah, bikes are parked downstairs and हम और क्या. हाँ, और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल गाइज. एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज दे हैव हेल्प मी ग्रो अ लिटिल बिट, जितना भी हम लोग ग्रो किए हैं अभी एज अ डिजिटल फैमिली. एंड होप सो वी ग्रो मच मोर देन दिस. अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो देन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम at the rate the riding Bawa, the same name that is of the YouTube channel. एंड क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी अच्छे स्टोरीज़ आते हैं. देयर आर गुड फोटोग्राफ्स दैट आई टेक. एंड Well, yeah, that's it, and enjoy the journey. We'll be heading back home, like I said, in some time. But all in all, a perfect place to be. Chalo, see you guys. So guys, we are done with the visit. We paid our respects. थोड़ा सा बैठे, we relaxed a little bit. Now we are heading down to get the bikes, and we are heading home. So I'll see you guys on the road. See you guys. See you. So guys, I'm back home. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm back. It's really hot, showing me 50 degrees here. मैं घर अभी पहुंच चुका हूँ. I'm almost home. ये देखो, no mirror. ये ऐसे लोगों को ट्रैफिक में रखना ही नहीं चाहिए. उसके पास मिरर ही नहीं है. Mirror है, but he has kept it folded, and that is wrong. So guys, I have reached home, and I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So like the video. अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा, dislike the video, but do something. Engage with the content. It's good. And once you do, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, signing off.